Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a keto cranberry cobbler. There are going to be two different components to this recipe. There's going to be the cranberry mixture and then the streusel topping. So for this recipe you will need 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of chopped pecans, 1/2 cup shredded coconut, 1/2 cup of chopped macadamia nuts. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon in there as well. Right here I have 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of sugar-free maple syrup, and a 1/4 cup of monk fruit sweetener. For the fruit mixture you'll need 1 12-ounce bag of fresh cranberries, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 cup of water, 1/4 cup of powdered monk fruit, or granulated monk fruit, whatever you have, 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then also we have some liquid stevia. I have the orange flavored one. I thought cranberry orange would be nice. I'm not sure if the flavoring is going to be powerful enough to come through, but I usually add a little bit of stevia to my baked goods to boost the sweetness, so I figured I might as well use this one. I'm gonna add about 30 drops. Let's start off by making the streusel topping. Go ahead and mix all your ingredients together. Add in your monk fruit and maple syrup and your butter. I also have my oven preheating to 350. Add your water to your cranberries and butter. Give that a stir. Add your monk fruit. Now we can add our xanthan gum, ginger, and cinnamon. Set this aside and grab your baking dish. Next, add your streusel topping. You might need to use your hands at first to spread that evenly. We will bake this for 45 minutes to 1 hour at 350 degrees. All right, so this was sitting for about 5 minutes and it looks like it has kind of firmed up a little bit. Let's give it a taste. It's so sweet and tangy. This would be so good with a side of keto vanilla ice cream, which I've yet to make. I don't know if I want to attempt the keto ice cream thing. But there's a brand called Rebel that I've been buying. Just Google Rebel ice cream. You'll be able to look up the stores around you that might sell it. So yeah, this with some vanilla ice cream would be awesome. Alrighty, and that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.